Now, questions 9 through 12 was actually one problem. I just split it up for you. And I even gave you an answer bank, so we should have got this one right. We have triangle ABC, so I want to draw this out. A, B, C. And we're told angle B is my vertex angle. So that means I know the two sides around angle B, they're congruent. And we're told angle A is 60 degrees. Now I'm just going to go through this. I've marked up my givens. So angle B is my vertex angle, and angle A is 60 degrees. I know angle A and angle C are base angles because that's the definition of a base angle. So I know they're equal, so that means angle C is 60 degrees. Maybe I should, instead of put an arc there, let's put in 60 degrees there. Then, all of a sudden, I'm saying A plus B plus C equals 180. Which one of those says A plus B plus C equals 180? Well, that's a triangle sum theorem. I know the three angles add together. That's the triangle sum theorem. They equal 180. Then, instead of writing A, well, that should be substitution then, shouldn't it? I replace both A and C with 60 degrees. Well, then if I subtract 60 or 120 from both sides, I get angle B equals angle C. So in order to get rid of the 60, I subtracted. So that's your subtraction property of equality. And the only one that's left, I made it nice for you, is definition of equal angular, because all three of them are the same. You should be able to do a proof when I give you an answer bank of the reasons, and I make it simple. You're only going to have those four. Now on question 13, let's take a look at this one. That's just an application of what you did in 12. I've got triangle PQR. So let's label this P, Q, and R. You could put P, Q, and R any place you want. We're told P to Q and Q to R, they're the same. So that tells me angle P and angle R, they're my base angles, they're going to be the same. So the measure of angle P is 28 degrees. So I want to find the measure of the other two angles. So that means the measure of angle R is 28 degrees. No work to show there. And then to find the measure of angle Q, I know there's 180 degrees in a triangle, so I take 180, and I'll subtract off 28 twice, so I'll subtract off 56. And just to make sure I'm doing this right, let's take 180 minus 56 on the calculator. And you get 124 degrees. Whoops. So angle Q is 124 degrees. That's what I was looking for. Angle R is 28. Angle Q is 124. Should have nailed that test. But that's where we're at. So make sure you study if you didn't nail that test.